Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about let me show you how all the top earners are making money online. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Top earners are making money online using free methods. If you want to know how all the top earners are making money online, then you will definitely need to look no further than Richard Murphy. He has been a leading authority on internet marketing for over 10 years and has made millions of dollars with affiliate marketing. He has been one of the first to discover what works in internet marketing, and he is one of the pioneers in making a living online. What he does is he wants to help people like you and me to make money on the internet by learning the ropes. Here is how he does it. He not only teaches you to make money through free methods that are easy and make you money quickly, but he also teaches you how to build up your list. He says that the foundation of his career has always been based on building your list and getting targeted traffic to your site so you can start making money. You see, if you want to learn to make money on the internet, then you should look no further than Richard Murphy because he is one of the best at what he does. Once you have mastered the secrets of affiliate marketing and have built up your list, then you can decide which pay-per-click method will work best for you. There are a lot of free methods out there, but a lot of them are scams and require a lot of time and effort to get results. Murphy's methods have been tested and proven and work very well. In this article, I will show you how all the top earners are making money online through some simple and easy methods. I want to give you an idea of how we do it here in the United States. With these methods, you can start to get targeted traffic to your website and start to see the money start rolling in very quickly. This type of business opportunity is very unique because it is so easy to implement. All you have to do is find someone who is already doing it and contact them. Then you have the ability to leverage their hard work into your own online business. Then you can begin targeting niches where you can make a good amount of money with very little effort. Some examples are casinos, retail stores, real estate, telemarketers, and stockbrokers. There are also many other niches where you can be successful online. But one thing you have to remember about this type of earning opportunity is that you must have the right mindset in order to succeed. Otherwise, you will be wasting your time and energy on people who are not willing to put in the work. It will be much easier for you to start getting targeted traffic to your website and start making money as soon as you get going. Just remember that it is very easy to start making money online once you have the right mindset. You also have to remember that there are many paid advertisers out there who are using your information to try to sell you products or services that you don't want. They want to use you in order to sell their product or service. You need to stay clear of these advertisers as they will be after you, so you need to keep looking for a great opportunity before you. One of the best ways to start making money online is to get started with the right mindset and apply the strategies that Richard Murphy is using on a daily basis. If you do, you will see results in no time. How all the top earners are making money online with Richard Murphy. In this article I am going to show you how all the top earners are making money online with Richard Murphy. In this article I am going to use Richard Murphy as an example to teach you the tips on how to make money online. We have a choice with Richard Murphy. He can make money through the internet, or he can start a company and get a big fat check from the government for his labor. If you want to see what the top earners are making and how they are doing it, then you might want to see let me show you how all the top earners are making money online with Richard Murphy. He is a successful network marketer who started his online marketing career at the age of 15. After becoming a successful network marketer, he then made the decision to become an internet marketer because he knew that this was the best way to earn money online. If you are someone who is interested in learning more about this, then you will love this opportunity. Richard Murphy has done a lot of research in order to find out what the top earners are doing. The thing that attracted him to the internet is the fact that you can make a living out of your dreams. It is something that can transform your life. Once you have a look at Let Me Show You How All the Top Earners Are Making Money Online with Richard Murphy, you will discover a wealth of information. One of the first things that you will discover is that these internet millionaires are really making a fortune. Most of them are earning thousands of dollars each month, which is quite impressive. There are many different ways that Richard Murphy has used to earn his huge sum of money. The main way is by promoting affiliate products. This is a form of direct sales where a third party pays you for every sale that they get. With this technique, he has managed to promote several famous affiliate sites and have made some serious cash. He also has a nice mix of money-making ideas, which makes him one of the most popular people online. You can easily locate the amount of time that Rick Murphy has spent researching the internet. He knows that he does not have the luxury of being able to travel anywhere in the world. With the knowledge that he has gained about the internet, he can now work from anywhere in the world. You can also learn about the money-making ideas that Richard Murphy has used in his life. He has learned a lot and has put them to good use. With the amount of time that Rick Murphy has devoted to his career, he now owns several properties in the UK. This is something that you will be interested in. One of the other methods that he has used to make money is to be an affiliate marketer. He has earned a lot of money with this method. When you look at Let Me Show You How All the Top Earners Are Making Money Online with Richard Murphy, you will find a variety of methods that he has used. You will have an in-depth knowledge of what he has done. If you have any questions regarding any of the information provided, then you will have a better chance of getting an answer to it from Richard Murphy. His website will provide you with the full information that you need. In case you haven't noticed, Richard Murphy is a very successful person and he made a lot of money. This means that he can produce products online that will sell for a lot more than the price that he sells them for at his store. But there are some things that you need to know if you want to be a wealthy investor. You need to start an internet business that is going to pay big bucks. So here is how to make money with Richard Murphy. There are several ways to do this. In case you want to see how Richard Murphy is doing, click on his website above and see for yourself how his business is doing. Then you can choose a method that will work for you. If you are a super marketer like him, I recommend you start your own business online. You will be able to build up your business fast and you will be making a lot of money. For those people who are just starting out online, you can start with a simple blog or maybe a blog just to showcase some pictures. You can put ads in your blog that will help you monetize your blog. Once you have your blog, you can start to ask other bloggers to feature your blog on their blog as well. Then, you can try to convince other bloggers to join your blog to get the traffic that you want. This method of promotion is one that will pay you very well because you will be selling a great product. You can also do all of this without having to create any products of your own. You will be a millionaire by the time you get tired of doing this. It is a very effective method that will help you to earn a lot of money. So I hope you have learned something from this article about how all the top earners are making money online with Richard Murphy. I look forward to seeing what he does next. Thanks for watching my video about Let Me Show You How All the Top Earners Are Making Money Online. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.